I think, I'm going to sir, for example, na issue, specific issue. The students consider it, we have a stake on that issue, so it has to be resolved.
Then by all means, you voice it out.
Sir, different so Office of the Students Affairs, sir, but I hope you understand also it's also quite different. I'm not saying that the OSA is incompetent. What I'm trying to say is it's different, it's difficult for the OSA to internalize the situation of the students if they are not part of our bunch. So what we're trying to say is we need somebody who is part of us to genuinely address and state the issues. Because we can't just voice it out for the OSA. Eventually, OSA headed by a director, probably a faculty, and discuss it with all the other members of a different committee.
Who will get that student?
I think point of sir is we need somebody who can protect us, who can say
by all means give OSA a chance. No? Give OSA a chance. That is the office that is designed.
But sir, especially on this very precarious situation in the future, we can't just have the here or Miss, with all due respect, sir, we do understand that, but we're setting the pace.
Okay, para lang po, it's non-negotiable, no? But we will listen to what you are saying. Can I be clear? That's non-negotiable, but I will listen to your points of view.
So, sige sir, we're not only on our good side of it. I think for another statement from the student nature of I think sir na I married mga students na mga used to see sa executive committee or the management committee or whatever committee kung siya tawag sa itong college kay dili man tanan policies or mga issues maabot sa board kasi ganyan ang viewers rin pa na student agent so na-joy voice ng mga students kaya acknowledgement sa board of regents nga naas kay katamo ng mga estudyante so malimurag conscious or ba ka na sa isulti pa niyo ang OSAG si kinsa pa siya si estudyante siya sa una inanan dili di siya makabaw kung unsay objective conditions sa mga students karon kung unsa ginagpinod nga mga sa mga students so para sa sir ba kanang dili gani kuan kanang dito sa BOR na tanan yung mga pundo na tanan problema dito sa BOR may pa sa inani pa lang nalala ma-solve na to kuan man sir diba sa atong pag-autonomous kay apil mo kami mga students ani sir sa atong paglambo.
Okay, dili ko mo-argue sa imong points but you're right. The autonomy is not for us. It's for you. But kanang executive committee is not it's not going to change.
Well, I guess at sir ba mausap tingali sir ba kanang
yeah, I understand.
Mausap na ay nga i-send sa katong autonomy na kay basig ka ng lost mo good sir ang mga sector sir ba kanang sa dili sa community nga kanang
o kada katulungan no nga daghan na execom it was being discussed there mo na dissent no it was being heard almost all the time in the discuss. It's not about that. No? We listen.
Sir.
Yes.
Is there something wrong with student representative in the EXCOM? No. Then why are you hesitant to let the student?
I'm not hesitant. I'm saying it's not simply part of the EXCOM as said in the manual. It's not me.
That manual
maybe sir we can set the standard for UP for UP unit for a autonomous unit to have a
You're gonna simply change.
Sir, that manual is from?
That's from UP Diliman, no?
Is the manual for the autonomous sir? Or by itself?
Manual for
Ever since it was under UPV or for the autonomous?
Okay, to be honest with you, UPV was not able to come up with their own manual. So what is being applied sa UPV, they say is the UP Diliman manual.
Assuming, sir, meaning we can make our own manual, provided that we are a Teachable University already.
Oh, but it takes a process. It takes time. You do not do it. right away.
Kung ano, sir, if yung point lang, sir, bakit itong sa academic, inana,
Mm.
hindi makarelate.
Pero dili mo na ako ang point ra.
Ay, inana, sir, ba? If inana, sir, ba, kasi pag academic, kasi pag mga curriculums, hindi makasabot ang student representative dito sa Mexico kung sa istorya.
Oh.
I think, sir, it's a sacrifice that the student council chairperson is willing to take basta lang na representative.
Oh, I did not say that the student dili kasabot. I simply said,
Ay, tanong ko, sir, ba? Kaya mga technical or something na hindi pa makapansin na.
So it's not really not kanang between what you think of student representative. It's more because this is what is being mandated.
yes.
So, sir, unsa man yung mga sulti sa katong sa
Ako masulti, we will follow
How
what
about
we...
yung Mindanao's manual?
I really don't know. Unless I see how the UP Mindanao is organized. Maybe that's worth taking a look at.
Is the management
Management committee.
It's similar to executive committee, the chancellor, the vice chancellor.
Because the executive committee in the, for example, in UPB, as Dean said earlier, there is also that chancellor advisory council. Maybe it's equivalent to the chancellor advisory council. The execom is different from the council. Could be different.
So do we have an advisory council for the
Wala pa. Okay, right now we are the most pressing concern is to organize how the college is going to function with respect to what we are, like, who's going to process faculty applicants, no? Student enrollees. Okay, kita na may padagalan na. Unless you put them in place, we cannot function. No? So mo na pressing problem karon to put these things in place. The execom later on will become very important if we have curricular reviews, if there are, which will also come later on. But our pressing concern now is how are we going to make everything now official, enrollment, to set in place a transition kano sa ang cut-off date sa MRR, hinana.
We actually, even if September, the economy was granted on September 24th last year, we were totally independent from Iloilo. January na.
Oh.
And then the reorganization of UP Cebu was just
About today.
no, it was it was approved by the BUR last January 27th.
Yeah.
So, patulang January 27th, ano bang atong organizational structure din sa UP Cebu. So, karon nagkuan pa yun. We are still organizing ourselves.
Yet we don't have enough people to put there to think. So these are the what's in our mind. No? Okay. Diha dili mo na automatic.
we understand man sa the fact na it doesn't happen overnight.